Hey there, future financial pros. If you're a student looking to build credit and gain some financial independence, applying for a Visa student credit card is a smart first step. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can feel confident and ready to apply. Let's dive in. First, understand why this card is perfect for students. Visa student credit cards often come with perks like no annual fees, rewards for everyday spending, and tools to help you learn about credit management. But before you jump in, check the eligibility requirements. You'll typically need to be at least 18 years old, enrolled in a college or university, and have a source of income or a co-signer. Head to the Visa website or your bank's site to verify the specifics. Once you're good to go, gather your documents. This usually includes your social security number, proof of enrollment like a student ID or transcript, and possibly proof of income. Having everything prepared will make the application smoother and faster. Now, for the application process. The easiest way is online. Visit the official Visa or issuer's website, search for the student credit card, and click to apply. You'll fill out a form with your personal details like name, address, contact info, and employment status. Be accurate and honest. Any discrepancies could delay approval. After submitting, you'll wait for a decision, which might take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of weeks. You can check your application status online or via email. If approved, you'll receive your card in the mail soon after. A few quick tips. Always read the card's terms and conditions, including interest rates and fees. Use the card responsibly by paying on time and keeping balances low to build a strong credit history. And if you're denied, don't worry, review the reasons and work on improving your credit score. There you have it. Applying for a Visa student credit card is straightforward and a great way to start your financial journey. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Let's build that credit together.